Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys, I'm so sorry, my voice is terrible. I don't know what I have, if it's a cold or sore throat or whatever it is, but this is what I sound like right now. So yeah, permit me to sound like a frog for the whole duration of this video. So yes, let me tell you who I have here. See the way she's looking at me. What is it? I'm just wondering, the way you are croaking. Let's continue, please. Oh, you guys can do the talking for me. I know, especially you. That's what you are good at. Anyway, so this is my sister Ada. You guys have seen her several on the channel. I have a room on this channel, guys. She lives here. I live here.
If you call me baby brother.
Oh my God, you already know. Okay, my babe.
Our only brother.
Our brother. Yes, he has actually not physically appeared on the channel before, but you guys, he has done a voiceover for me before.
Yes, brother does my makeup.
You guys should check it out. Right, yeah, just click it and
it was a hit. And
it was
this
hilarious.
Going to be a hit.
So
hit
finally he's
back.
here and we're doing something fun today. They are both going to be doing my makeup. Like one person is going to be doing one side of my face and the other will do this other side of my face. I'm so anxious to see what happens because I think my heart is beating fast, especially when it comes to what this side of my face is going to look like.
No, calm down. I should draw in my former life.
Okay, they're going to be telling you guys what they are doing and how they are doing it.
I wouldn't know what I'm doing, so I won't tell you anything. Time for face painting. Where are we starting from?
Okay. So the first thing he asked is, where am I starting from? You know, he's got it right. You're supposed to clean the face. Make sure you take away all the impurities.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's how.
Oh my God. Oh the yama.
Is it? Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Yeah. See, he's even more gentle.
We're supposed to...
No, primer and foundation first. Primer, ba? What's that ultimate sound such soundtrack again? Da 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 da.
Oh yeah.
Da 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 da. I'm the ultimate man.
Yeah! Okay, so let me show you. Open it. So, do as I
What does it look like news with them?
No, we have to show them the products.
So guys, we are using Pond's in the shade normal. Oh, don't use too much. If you use too much, it will give you a problem later when you are applying the makeup. Yeah?
Okay,
What are your problem areas?
I know that primer has to do with preparing the face so that it is not too oily to receive the other kiniko. Abi?
Okay. Normally, I use my mineral spray on my face when I want to make up first. But that's my own style because I'm not a professional.
Is it Coco Fanta spray?
God bless hurry up. This video is going to be too long. You have to rubbing primer since that time.
No worry, that will cut all this part.
Using Davies in the shade 018. Well, I am. I don't know about
I
him.
have no idea what I'm using. I'll put foundation first now.
No. Put foundation first. Guys, be using your side eye to look at me. Yeah?
Don't worry, I don't need to
So
look
that
at
when
you.
is your turn?
I know how to draw. Keep quiet.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Now we have to apply the concealer to the brow.
She has to. I don't.
So I'm using, what's the name of this one?
Milani.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's what I use. I'm using Milani in the shade 03.
I'm using Pro Conceal, high definition concealer. Please pass the face.
Is there a reward for this makeup? When I'm done, am I winning something? They are going to vote on which makeup they prepare. And then the winner wins what? That's what I asked you. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay guys, so because I'm not a professional makeup artist, I normally do not use an eye primer. I usually just use my concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. So you will see me spreading it. Don't be alarmed.
Open the eye, because get out of your honey. I think they call that thing.
Why are you laughing anyhow?
Me on my lap though.
And I'm like,
On that too, ba?
Pull up.
This is more than bullshit, nigga. This is cow shit, man.
Eyeshadow doesn't go under. Does eyeshadow go under?
So I'm using my blending brush and eyeshadow brush. I want to do something really subtle with the eye that you can actually just go out with, you know, and be okay. And evil people are laughing. God will punish them.
You're tired of following protocol. Where is foundation? I have no idea what this is. What does it look like toothpaste?
Saying that that's the
This thing is
foundation.
going to expose your nyash, especially. I have not been watching my YouTube videos.
Why would I watch YouTube videos? I'll just forward
Because
the
it's
link
your
to my
sister's
girlfriend.
channel.
I'll just forward the link
And
to
you
my
have to
girlfriend.
watch it.
I've done my part.
Foundation, you use a foundation brush. Let me give you I use this.
How do you now put it in your hand?
You remove some of the foundation, then you now be using the brush to take it and put it on the face.
By the time I'm done, I'm only
Don't waste my foundation, no, small, small.
That's the face we are painting or the hand we are painting.
It's one of you seem like they know what they are doing.
And it's the one that's supposed to look like they know what they are doing. That knows what they are doing.
If I had two brothers, it would have been fun.
You finish. Tell me about that one for you. Oh?
Ah, big boss. Oshe, say baba. It's only 10,000
Don't call me
naira
Buhari.
only.
My aim is to just put everything in the box on your face. When I'm done, you look like Joker.
So even though that I trying to ruin my reputation on my YouTube channel.
I use eyeshadow. You know that, right?
You hate it.
So I'm using this nice matte eyeliner from Kiss Beauty. Now I have a problem drawing eyeliner, even for myself.
Calm down. Don't laugh too much.
Maybe don't laugh and spoil our handwork. Oh.
If you think it doesn't come out well, we'll say that usually that cause it. Stop laughing too much.
I'm sorry.
You start paying for every laugh you laugh. 1,000 naira. And I try to collect. Tell you laugh 10 times. I'll not buy your new eyeshadow for you.
You know why I'm laughing?
Why?
Before she drew the eyelash, she already said, I have a problem. Really, you're prepared to draw nonsense eyeliner.
As in,
Even my lower lid is collecting eyeshadow. I feel like someone that they fought in the eye. Oh God.
I'm supposed to fix lashes.
No,
yeah.
I'm not,
Oh my
I'm not
gosh.
fixing, no. It's your
Okay,
half.
so normally I fix lashes before I do the other part of my makeup. It's just easier for me that way. Oh God. How does it have to do lashes?
You know I'm doing this thing, the way I'm doing it. Tell my girlfriend what it is. She'll never, ever make me. I say, boo, baby, sweetheart, come and make me up. When I'm done with this disaster, she will never ever come close
This
to
one
me.
is just talking nonsense. Do work.
Are they going to pay me for the work?
Yes.
Ah, how much?
Plenty money. If this video gets so many views,
You're
gonna pay us. We'll share the money.
these lashes are so tiny. I like more dramatic lashes. I want when I do like this. Angels will know one of them is on earth. I would like to use this one, but it's really long. So I don't know what to do. I think I'm just going to leave it. She's probably going to add the lashes after everything. So let's go to the next thing on the map. So normally when I have leftover concealer, I always like to use it underneath my eye. I have everlasting bags.
Yeah, it runs in the family.
It runs in the family.
Gucci bags.
So the concealer just helps me deal with the bags.
I laugh.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm scared of those nails.
Sorry. Some of you finished, ba?
Hey God, this thing was terrible. I know that laugh.
Where's the foundation?
She was doing again.
Where did you drop the foundation?
Am I pretty now? Am I beautiful, guys? Look. Am I beautiful yet?
If Batman sees you, he'll ask you if Joker has a twin sister. That's my part.
Come here, I'm not even making an effort.
I don't even know what to do.
Just doing rubbish.
Continue now.
Jesus.
You have to powder the face. You have to do highlights and contour.
When you test my rain, the rain, the bottle.
No problem. If I actually make this thing and it makes sense, I'll start feeling one time. So I cannot make sense. It's wrong to make sense.
So you're purposely trying not to make sense.
Unless you're a makeup artist.
The look on your face.
What happened? Like he's comparing. You didn't write like this. Look at your side. Turn and look at your side. So do you observe any difference?
Okay, let me see. Let me try.
Okay.
Let me try. I'll try harder now.
So
That bit.
there's one trick I use for myself when I do my makeup, because I'm not very good at you know, my hand is not quite steady. I always use my eyeshadow to line up. That way it blends more readily. It's just my own personal trick. And then I use a lighter concealer this side.
Oh my god. It just got positive.
Yes!
Oh god.
My face is even feeling heavy now. Especially on this side.
I'm done for the day. She have had me.
It can't be done though.
Show them.
I have no idea how it is. I have no idea how it is, but it's looking fine.
Thank you.
Looks like a chocolate box.
Very good.
I'm using this one. It's okay, it's the highlighter color. This is the face kit, the Ezekiel face kit. This guy I think is just powders, think of powders. I'm using the highlighter color, this one.
Maybe I don't know your shade. This one like that. I always like this bronzer.
Can't wait to see my face.
Maybe? Ah! Maybe I'll spoil my eyeshadow.
Mama.
I
Did you
swear.
touch the eyeshadow?
Your lashes
Sorry.
took it up. I'll do it later.
Life of a makeup artist. So let this tell you, next time when I'm making you up and you're doing, do quick job. You see now do, it have do. Now you know.
Stop moving your hand, girl.
I think this concealer was too light.
Beg, put your mouth, bro. Yeah, move your mouth.
I'm gonna be your girlfriend wants to have heart attack.
Am I fine now?
That question is just useless.
I'm telling you.
Guys,
Come on, man. Guys out there watching this thing. Makeup is hard work.
tell them.
But it's a waste of time.
She just gave you waka now.
Your babe boots.
Oh my god, oh my god.
So you have to blend. I'm not doing the blending well. Sorry, but.
Okay, I see. Ada, you know because I'm not my own nose partner, and most is looking thin on this side and fat on this side.
You know, it's looking thin on one side and fat
I'm
on
not
the
my one
other side.
side there.
So which side is fat? Your side.
My
is
side is thin.
Oh, my one side is fat.
Let me see, I'm going to see this from.
You're looking antelope.
Looking as if he's turning this way.
Are you shrugging?
It's not terrible.
Okay.
So,
Close
the
your
next
close
part
your-
of the
close your eyes,
eyeshadow.
look up, look up.
Like, and I close my eye and look up at the same time.
Is it not you that went to that? Yeah. I went to go and spoil it. Jesus. Oh God. I feel like I'm going to look like I have a mustache now. Oh. I said it's not here. Makeup artist. It's supposed to be soft and wet.
And I don't fall my head. I thought you make up.
I won't. I'm actually. I just think it's brighter than what I should have used.
What's that movie doing, please?
Stay now. Oh.
Maybe I'm not doing it. This is hard work.
You cannot. You must do.
I think I did a good job. So.
He said, I think I did a good job, except in the eye. Did he do a good job?
I'm feeling hot. Can't take off my shirt.
Okay. We are ready.
Okay.
Oh wait, I didn't do the.
Oh, you didn't do the blush again. So.
No, I think I was going to do blush.
Did you also draw your eyebrow?
So this is the finishing spray. I think I should just done all the whole side.
This one is not interesting.
Maybe to give redemption of the other one. Close your eyes.
It cannot redeem anything.
Sorry, that was not expected.
Did they spray this?
Done.
I've never seen you spray something where I didn't know.
You don't pay attention.
Who
Hey God.
Okay, so we're ready. Hi guys.
Hello.
So we're done. I'm gonna say hi. So I want her to show you the beast side. First, she shows you the beauty side.
Well played. I have the sister due today.
The beast side.
And I'm
the
not
beauty
in this
side.
makeup, oh guys. What do you think? What happened to me? What kind of eyebrow is this? Jesus. What happened here? The beauty side.
I did not clean it when she came in now. Why are you laughing anyhow?
This eyebrow make me look sad.
You look good, Josh. Shut up.
I used to, so wait, if I do this makeup, I go out.
No, is this finishing spray that's still like to die? You said the finishing spray on my side, not looking as if you were crying. And then you cheated me.
At least your eyeshadow, you tried small.
My eyeshadow, I tried.
Not you, Joe. What happened here? No, but see, you tried the foundation or powder. Abi. But I look old. You can actually have a career as a makeup artist in Nigerian movie.
Who?
I'm old.
You.
Just spoil
When they're
their
doing all
face and
this-
they'll be old.
Exactly. Thank you. Those low budget
Okay, so guys,
kind of
guys,
ratchet movies.
if I had done well, won't you ask me if I'm gay?
No, they won't have.
I don't
Lots of
want to.
metrosexual guys do these things and make a lot of money from it. Person that does my hair is a guy.
Yes, he specialized. I do not. Out there today, I just came to have fun and look for trouble. As always, the brother causes commotion.
So guys, she has seen her face. You can see it. Top jaw. Yes. So, of course, I'm not going to be getting any jobs as a makeup artist. I can only make myself.
This one is playing game.
I've been told I'll actually get jobs in the Nigerian film industry. So you can come and hire me.
As where he's making witches up.
Yes, all those witches are mad women.
And mad women. Let us know in the comments box how terribly we did, because I know I wasn't fantastic.
My girlfriend got you on my own.
So, come back to this
my
YouTube
God.
channel every time. Follow her across all her social media platforms. I need to go and wear this makeup. You will sign up.
Yes, let's not advertise ourselves. Yes, you can see. Okay, we are the
Who was in the
siblings
family?
of the Leah Uzuri.
Anyway, we like
Okay.
to sleep, eat, play, and just make merry.
And we love to have fun.
Thank you for keeping it real with Leo Zuri. Come back every time for more because we love you.
If you need makeup, call me.
Don't call me. She's dancing traditional dance. Bye.
Ciao. Happy Wazi face.